How to create a database username in Plesk. This tutorial assumes you have already logged into your Plesk account. In the left sidebar of your Plesk account, there is the Databases option. Click to go to the Databases interface. To add a database user, we will go to the User Management option and then click on the Add Database User button. Let's fill in the database username and generate a user password. To copy the generated password, first, click to show the password and then copy and save the password. Now click to open the drop-down list and choose the appropriate database for which you wish to create the user. We will leave the option box for accessing phpMyAdmin using the user's credentials unchecked. I'm OK with the default selection for access control and now click OK. The user account for the selected database has been created and is ready to use now. Thank you for watching.